Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to BeatStars. You can start selling or buying beats securely and easily. First, log into your BeatStars account. If you're new, click Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create your profile. Once you're in, go to your profile, then click the gear icon to open Account Settings. On the left panel, select Subscription, then click Manage Payment Methods. Here, you can add different payment options, but to connect PayPal, simply click PayPal. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After linking, you'll get a notification in PayPal confirming that BeatStars is now authorized as your payment method. From this point, all your transactions on BeatStars can go through PayPal, which is secure and widely trusted by buyers. If you run into any issues, click the question mark at the bottom right corner to access BeatStars' virtual agent for support. And that's it. Your PayPal is now connected to BeatStars, making it simple to buy or sell beats safely. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick guides.